Hello. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple LAN using Packet Tracer. And I'm going also to show you how to add a DHCP server to the LAN. Okay, so to make a LAN, we have to get a switch and at least 2 or 3 computers. So we go down here, we have a switch, drag this switch here, and then drag another computer, one computer and another computer. Those we can drag also a server here, okay? So basically we have to connect everything to the switch because the switch enables the communication in the LAN. So we can use this automatic communication tool to connect the switch to the server, the switch to the PC, the switch to the second PC. Okay, you look at these parts, you can find that we have here the orange circles. These orange circles are going to be changed to a green rectangle because this switch is booting or starting up. So we can also make this process fast by clicking on this icon, which is fast forward is going to change all the orange circles to green rectangle. Okay. Uh, it's not ready so far. Our LAN is not ready. We have to do something. We have to add IP addresses for all of these devices. But before that, we need to change also the name of each PC. We click on the PC and click config, and here the name you can see PC Lab 1. Okay, and that you can see that the PC Lab 1 appears here, also can appear here, the PC Lab 2. And this server, we are going to make a DHCP server, so we can rename it to DHCP server. DHCP server. Okay? These are for the names. For the IP addresses, we have to assign IP address for each device. So we click on it, we'll click on each device, we go to the desktop and in the IP configuration and make IP address like 192.168.1. For example, this 4. And this one also desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.5. Okay. And for the server, we can assign IP address like 192.168.1.2. Okay. And here we have the subnet mask. If we click here, it's going to give us the subnet mask immediately. Okay. Now our devices are ready to connect between each other. For example, if I want to test the communication between this device and the server, we can use this packet or PDU. Click one time here, click other time here, click here, and you see that it is successful. And we can also test the communication between these two devices. So we click here, click one here, second time here, and also it's successful. And we can test between this device and that server by clicking one time here, and it's also successful. This means everything is working very nice. But now, every time you add another PC, you are going to manually configure the IP address. We want to get rid of this operation by using the DHCP server. So here we have the DHCP server. We have to make the settings of this DHCP server. We go to the services, go to DHCP, make it on. The service should be on to be working. And here we have the starting address is 192.168.1.0. This is the start IP address. We can make it start at 10 because we have reserved it sometimes for some devices to the 4 and the 3 and 2. As you know, DHCP server itself has the IP address 2. So here the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and the maximum number here can be changed to 100. And you have to click on save button here. If you don't click this save button here, it's not going to work because without saving, the settings you have done will not be saved. So it's very important to click on save here. Okay. And now if I drag another computer, okay, and instead of using the same configuration every time, I have to connect it first. And instead of having, and fast forward, instead of doing the IP configuration manually from here and write the static IP address, I can select DHCP server and wait until the DHCP request successful, and it gives the 192.168.1.10 because this is the start address. And the subnet mask is, of course, as the same as the configuration in the DHCP. Now, whenever you have another PC and you want to add this PC to the network, it's very easy. You just click on the device, put it here, and connect it by the auto connection, and then fast forward, go to the PC, go to the desktop, IP configuration, DHCP, and it's going to give another IP address, which is 11. Okay? And that's it for today. That's all of it for today. And thank you very much. And thank you.